Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Twitter account. Sometimes your account may be hacked. If your account may be hacked, don't worry, it can be deleted or deactivated. To delete your Twitter account, first click on browser. Log in your Twitter account. After you log in your Twitter account, click on your profile button. Click on setting and privacy button. Click on account button. Click on deactivate your account. If you don't reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivate, your account will be permanently deleted. To deactivate your account, click on deactivate. Enter your password. If you have forgot your password, click on forget your password and follow the instruction. After typing your password, click on deactivate account button. Now your account has been successfully deactivated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Yeah.